Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to import activity to Strava. If you want to import activities into Strava, the process is simple and flexible. Strava works with iPhone, Android, GPS devices, smartwatches, and even third-party fitness app. You can instantly upload activities recorded with the Strava mobile app, sync from supported devices, or even upload files directly from your computer. For example, Apple Watch, Android wearables, and popular GPS brands like Garmin or Suunto all sync seamlessly to Strava. If your device isn't listed, most manufacturers have companion apps that allow you to push data to Strava automatically. And if you prefer, you can also add an activity manually. Just open the Strava app or website, choose your method, and your performance data will appear on your Strava profile in seconds. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.